The biggest earthquake to hit Japan since records began 140 years ago strikes the country's northeast coast. The 8.9 magnitude quake triggered a 30-foot tsunami that swept away everything in its path, and was quickly followed by a second wave. Hundreds of cars are washed away as the first wave slams into Miyako port. The Red Cross in Geneva said the wall of water was higher than some Pacific islands, and a tsunami warning has been issued for the entire Pacific basin except for the United States and Canada. Kyoto News Agency reported that at least 10 people have been killed so far, and said the death toll is expected to rise. Many injuries have also been reported, and the footage coming in suggests the damage is massive. There have already been several large aftershocks, and fires erupted in Tokyo buildings after tremors rocked the Japanese capital. Travis Brecker, Reuters.